Get into the 2015 Ford Transit. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This strong, dependable Transit is an expert at hauling people and cargo. Available in multiple configurations with a variety of options, this spacious passenger wagon prioritizes modern safety features, stability control, connectivity, practicality, convenience, and creature comforts. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, rear-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, conventional spare tire, variable speed intermittent wipers, vinyl seats, adjustable steering wheel. Customized comfort blends perfectly with cargo capacity in this sleek Transit. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.